Welcome. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. If you stay with me for 7 minutes, your body will feel lighter and your balance will improve. This moment is just for you, a time to move gently, to feel lighter, and to care for your body. As you continue, know that every soft movement is helping your body in its own quiet way.
Three, two, one.
Supporting your core, improving circulation, and encouraging a healthier you. There's no rush here. Just move at your own comfortable pace. If you're enjoying this gentle practice, take a moment to subscribe so you can continue caring for your body with me every day.
3, 2, 1.
As we continue, your body is already responding. Your muscles are gently activating, your joints are loosening, and your circulation is improving. Even if it feels slow, something powerful is happening inside you. Stay with me because the full benefit comes when you complete the entire session.
Three, two, one.
You're doing amazing. There's no need to rush, no pressure, just steady, gentle progress. This is where strength begins, not in force, but in consistency. Every moment you stay here, you're improving your balance, your coordination, and your control.
Three, two, one.
Tai Chi helps your body in so many ways. It improves balance, helping reduce the risk of falls. It gently strengthens your muscles without stress. It increases flexibility and keeps your joints healthy. And most importantly, it calms the mind and reduces stress.
Three, two, one.
This is movement that supports your body for the long term. If you stop now, you miss the full effect. But if you stay with me until the end, your body will feel the difference. You're closer than you think. Keep going.
Three, two, one.
As we continue, your body is already responding.
If you're still here, you're doing amazing. Comment calm.
Three, two, one.
Your muscles are gently activating, your joints are loosening, and your circulation is improving. Even if it feels slow, something powerful is happening inside you. Stay with me, because the full benefit comes when you complete the entire session.
Now slowly begin to bring your movements to a gentle stop.
Three, two, one.
Let your hands rest comfortably by your sides. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body. Notice the calm, the softness, the ease in your muscles. You've done something good for yourself today, and that matters. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Let any remaining tension melt away naturally.